dude.
This is sick, dude.
No.
Wow, bro. I'm used to flying like 172s, like try to be as high above everything as possible.
Right.
Dude, this is crazy, bro.
Isn't that awesome? Don't you love it? Hey everybody. So Ryan and I haven't officially really started tailwheel training for him yet, just because we've been doing all these mods and the long process it took to get the airplane home. We've just been wanting to take the airplane up and have fun whenever we have the chance. So we haven't really started official tailwheel training, but I've been having Ryan do most of the takeoffs and a few of the landings. But we haven't done our official big tailwheel briefing yet. So that's going to be part of this whole vlog, is teaching Ryan how to fly tailwheel and fly the Kitfox. So I decided to leave my critique of his takeoff in this video, just for showing part of that teaching and learning process. I realized I sounded kind of harsh in my critique, so I apologize to Ryan for that, but I guess he didn't seem to notice or care. I'm just really passionate about teaching tailwheel. So enjoy the video, enjoy the critique, and we're gonna go check out a new spot that we are planning to land at sometime in the future. Enjoy. Remember, just light feet on those pedals.
25, 30,
80 on your feet.
You're good. You're good. Scary, dude.
And remember, just light feet on those pedals.
25, 30,
80 on your feet.
You're good. You're good. Scary, dude.
You got a little, you remember, light feet, little correction. You kind of started to create some oscillations there.
I started thinking about ground loop and it started
Don't think about it, just react. Don't think about ground loop. The last thing you want to do is start worrying when you're in the middle of that. So all you got to do is keep those light feet dancing on the pedals. Now you can raise those flaps. Yeah, she's climbing great, man.
Yeah.
It's all good. I'm glad you're seeing that kind of stuff. It's important to see that and see what that looks like. So remember, just look. Don't look in here. You may be wrong.
I was, dude. I was watching the airspeed indicator.
Yeah, don't even look at the airspeed. Just feel it. I can glance at the airspeed indicator for you. And if you happen to look at the airspeed indicator, no longer than just a fraction of a second, you're going to remember what you saw when you look back up here, right?
Okay.
You know what I mean? Just look and then move your eyes right
I was
back
totally too
outside.
fixated on it,
Yeah,
dude.
don't even worry about it. What we're also going to do is figure out timing. So, I mean, you'll know after roughly, you'll know that after roughly 3 seconds or whatever, you're going through 35, roughly 5 seconds, whatever. We'll figure out time. So you don't even have to look at your airspeed at all, because you do not want to look down here during your takeoff roll.
Okay.
At all. You want to look outside so you can see any slight diversion of your lateral movement. So you can just be in, because that's the thing. So you see how she drifted a little bit, you weren't right on top of it.
Yeah.
And if you're not on top of that initial drift, then it's like, then you're making big corrections, and then you create your own problem. You amplify the problem by not being right on top of it. Well, that's good, man. That's good.
Yeah.
There, you can lower the nose now and head up a little bit. I just wanted to check out this one spot up here along the river. No, I'm so glad you got to see that, though.
Yeah.
Because it really is one of those things that really makes that, just kind of anchors that into your mind a little bit.
Yeah.
this spot down here is where
Do you want me to go back?
my buddy Bryce flew Carrie and I into for a date, like a picnic date a while back. I think that might be totally doable down there.
Oh, dude.
And so head straight. We'll drop down into the canyon and fly down and just check it out a little bit. Yeah, it was pretty awesome. He dropped us off there, and we had a little picnic, and I said, hey, man, pick us up about an hour and a half.
So sick, dude.
It was awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
She was giving me crap about not doing, extravagant enough dates.
Oh.
Like, all right, got something
You
in mind.
can't top stuff like that, dude. That's pimp stuff.
Phone a friend. Bryce, I got an idea for you. And he hooked it up. It was awesome. So, but yeah, I was thinking about it. Like, dude, I bet you could totally put the airplane down there. Nice little dirt road, a little grassy meadow.
Should we go straight here, flip around?
You mind if I
Yeah, go for it. Yeah,
all right, I have the controls. I've scoured this canyon multiple times for power lines and stuff, so we're good. All right, you ready, bro?
Roger.
Yeah, coming in here, this is like my Eleanor.
Eleanor.
You know, that Mustang, the GT500 on Gone in 60 Seconds,
Oh,
when they
yeah.
always got away.
Oh, yeah.
This will be my Eleanor. It's for way down the road. It would be. It's kind of like my little goal spot. So it's not this. You'll see it when we come around the bend.
Dude.
This is sick, dude.
I know.
Wow, bro. I'm used to flying like 172s, like try to be as high above everything as possible. Dude, this is crazy, bro.
That's awesome. Don't you love it?
So you used to do right now what we're doing.
Oh yeah.
In the Cub.
Yeah, in the Cub.
Oh, you're nuts.
stick back and start getting on the brakes. I'll take that one, man.
Dude, that was smooth.
Alright, so she's flyable.
Yeah, dude, that was cool, man. Good thing we got that easily figured out.
Yeah.